Actually dimmed a bit when the AC kicked on. Just leave it there and let it warm up. Actually, let me get a better vantage point. Put it on top of this thing.
Hold on, it's rounded. Put it on top of this right here. This is flat right here. This is flat. No, that can slide off, Christian. Put it here.
It's gonna take about 10 or 20 minutes. You can already see the glow start coming out in your eyes. Just leave it there real cool. See, now you're starting to see a bit of the yellow come in at the ends.
Is this sodium light?
Yeah. You see the glow at the end. And it's getting bright. See, now the sodium's really starting to come in. Look at that. You can't see any color. Look, it's all washed out. That's cool. It's a really neat effect. Look at your shirt.
That's all screen stuff.
Yeah,
It's almost done.
pretty much. Almost, maybe. You feel how hot it is.
No, don't touch it.
I'm not touching it, I'm just gonna do this. That's actually, I don't feel any heat coming off it yet. Oh, my eyes. Oh, it's so bright. Look at it, it's lighting up the whole house. Just one bulb in the kitchen lights up the whole house. Look at this. Black and white. Look at that. That, folks, is a 135 watt low pressure sodium. Look at this thing. It only took about 4 minutes to warm up to full brightness, basically. And look, low pressure sodium. I don't see any color. Look at this. It's everything's just black and white. This is so cool and so weird.
What color is that? That's actually red.
That's actually supposed to be red, and it's black. Look at that. That's also supposed to be red. And look, that's normally like a yellowed color, this plastic part. It's completely clear now. Look at the apples.
Tomatoes.
Look at the tomatoes. Ooh. Look at the flowers. Look at everything. Oh God, it's bright. It's lighting up my whole house from this single 135 watt bulb. Lights up basically the main area of the house. And it's not, the outer jacket's not even that hot. In fact, let me get my temperature gun. Let me show you how hot it is. Yeah, color, what color? I don't see any color. Then you get in here and, ooh boy, color. Man, that is impressive. 22,000 lumens. This is what 22,000 lumens looks like. Holy crap. Let's see how hot it is. Oh god, it's bright though. How hot is it? 108, 107 on the outer jacket. And that's Fahrenheit. Uh-oh. Turn it off. All right, and that's it. Let's turn on the two 34-watt fluorescents. Wow. That was getting hot, so now I'm letting it cool off. So that's my 135-watt low-pressure sodium. Hope y'all liked it.